Here is how you can play with friends on eFootball 2024. Hello and welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can play matches with your friends on eFootball 2024. So let's start. First of all, open the game and log into your account. After that, in order to play a game with your friend, go to match, scroll on the options and go to friend match. As you can see, there is an option to create a 1 versus 1 match room or a 3 versus 3 cooperative match room. So if you want to play with multiple friends like in a tournament format, you can create a cooperative match room. But for now, let me show you how you can create a 1 versus 1 match room. Creating a 3 versus 3 cooperative match room also includes the same process. So to begin, tap on create 1 versus 1 match room. Then after, you can set the password if you want, but it's easy not to set one. Simply tap on create. As you do that, the match room will be created. On the top, you can find the match room number. Simply copy this number and send it to your friend. Your friend will enter the match room by entering the room number. So after you have copied the number, send it to your friend. So what your friend needs to do is simply enter the match room number and access it. Let me show you how you can do it. I'll just simply go back, but you don't have to close this room. As you go to friends match, you will find this short match room. Now in the space, enter the match room number. As you do that and tap on search, your friend will be able to enter the specific match room. Since I closed the previously created match room, it says no corresponding match room found. So in this way, you can easily play with your friends on eFootball 2024. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.